Welcome everyone, Team 7, back on another adventure. Well, the same adventure over and over and over again. Because currently, this Jurassic World VelociCoaster is what's going on in my world currently. So, we're back at Universal Islands of Adventure. And also too, since the last update, they've actually released the details of the roller coaster, the elements, and also the name, which is going to be Jurassic World VelociCoaster. Of course, some of us knew that a long time ago, because, you know, you do have to apply for trademarks and copyrights of names, and yeah. Anyway, we're off to see what's going on here. Also, too, they're back to scanning your finger. I like the ID thing better. It was a lot faster where they just scanned your pass and checked your ID, you walked right in. But they're back to the fingerprint scanner, which kind of slows things down just a little bit. But yeah, I much prefer the ID. Also, too, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. YouTube is telling me a very small percentage of people watching my videos are subscribed. I think like 11% of the people watching my videos are subscribed. So if you want to help the channel out and help the channel grow so I can do more subscriber giveaways and also bring subscribers with me to the parks, just hit that subscribe button. And it may be you standing right next to me. By the way, I had a lot of fun with Rob a couple of weeks ago. That was a lot of fun. Anyway, join me. Back next to the Incredible Hulk in the rest area. It's a lot easier to talk to you guys from here with the mask, not muffling my voice, even though I got a big mouth, but it's a lot easier. So anyway, that top hat right there, we know now is 155 feet. And that second launch on your way up that top hat is gonna launch you to 70 miles an hour in 2.4 seconds. So top speed will be 70 miles an hour, and it will be achieved at that second launch up the top hat. Also, too, I'm hearing the trim brake up there. Not gonna trim the speed. That's what they're saying. That's what we're hearing now. That can change. Who knows? Also, too, there's 4,700 feet of track. The thing that most interests me the most is the 0G inverted stall for 100 feet. There's gonna be 100 feet 0G inverted stall. That's what's intrigued me the most. And also, too, I was completely wrong about the train, the front of the train. I thought it was gonna look like a dinosaur. I guess sort of, kinda, but not really. It's gonna be all lit up. There's gonna be lights all on the train. It's gonna look really cool. And also, there's gonna be what, 24 riders per train, I believe. 6 cars, two rows, 2 people per row. Anyway, hoping testing starts pretty soon. As you can see right here, we got some of the netting up, starting to go up. Just to catch stuff from falling in the water. We got this structure right here. I believe that's going to be covering for the outside of the queue, the outdoor queue area. Right here's the tunnel. That's going to launch you 70 miles an hour up the top hat. Also, too, it's themed on Jurassic World, so I believe the pre-show is going to have Chris Pratt and, what is that, Bryce Dallas Howard, the other guy? Yeah, Chris Pratt and Bryce Dallas Howard, I believe, going to be part of the pre-show. Also, too, we now know that the ride will start in the Raptor Pen. And that twisty area, I like to call the Tehran section, or the Spaghetti Bowl. That's where the ride is going to begin. And then you're going to come through here and then launch to the outdoor portion, well, the lagoon portion of the roller coaster. Honestly, if I was SeaWorld Entertainment, there's no way I'll let all the talk be about this roller coaster right now, because that's what it is. All the talk is about this roller coaster. You know, Fly had their week, and everybody's back to VelociCoaster. There's no way. I push the open eye and Gwazi and take some of the talk away from this, because at this point, nobody cares about Tron. Nobody really cares about Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout or whatever it's called. Whatever the Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster is at Epcot. I can't, it's funny, that thing feels like it's been under construction for 20 years. I can't even remember the name at this point. And yeah, no, you know, maybe there's somebody out there that does care about those two roller coasters coming to Disney property, but nobody I know is talking about it, and nobody I know really cares. So, but if I was SeaWorld, I would make a push for Gwazi. Take all the talk off of this right now, because this, like I said, this is what everybody's talking about. I was really waiting till the scaffolding came down before I came and did another update video, but I'm here. Let's turn around this corner together and see what it looks like. Holy sh! Oh, look at this portion right here. Look at that. That's gonna be awesome. That's gonna be one hell of a hand chopper if you got your hands up. Man, look how close that's gonna be. If I'm not mistaken, there's somewhere in here right now with the pull-through test. Somewhere in here right now. How you doing? Man, that's gonna be awesome. I like that they're gonna keep a section open right here also, in this wall area, so you can actually see the ride coming by. That's really cool. And of course, we know this is gonna be the Raptor Pen section. This is gonna be where the ride's gonna begin on this side. Also, too, look right here how close you are to the rocks. Going in that hole. Pause. I seen these stairs here last time. I'm just wondering if that's how you're gonna exit the ride, up and over. Who knows? We'll find out. Okay, so that's going to be it for another VelociCoaster, well, Jurassic World VelociCoaster update. We know the name now. And I'll try to come back every time something changes weekly. Once testing starts, I'll try to come back for that also. So, you never know. You never know. Yeah. I was trying to fly the drone the other day, and with the new update on my phone, the SD card wasn't compatible, so I couldn't fly the drone. So you never know what's going to happen. I tend to do recording. Sometimes I do record and then, lose the footage. It's nothing is ever easy. Nothing. Especially for me, nothing ever comes easy. So once again, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy the content, just give this video a thumbs up. And until the next adventure, deuces.